Welcome back to Get Handy Now. One of the most important things whenever you're transporting anything, luckily I have a truck with a long bed on it. But regardless of whether you're strapping something to the top of a vehicle or strapping it in the back of the truck, we have a bunch of lumber that I pulled, and we're going to be doing an install using this lumber. And I strapped it down using ratchet straps. All right. So if you want to look down here, it's kind of the test of any handyman is, do you know how to strap something down? So you have a ratchet that tightens things, and there is a mechanism, a little spring that releases it. And so you can remove it. Oh, now it's released. And if you pull on the mechanism, if it works with me here, there we go, then it will fully release. So when you're doing a ratchet strap, what is good and the way that you should do it is you should take the end of the other strap, and there is a free space on the middle of the mechanism, and you take the end of the strap, if I can do this without looking at, there you go, and you push it through, come on, push it through from the back side, and then you pull it tight. It is caught on something right here. All right, there we go. You pull it tight. And when you go to ratchet the strap, you want to hold your finger somewhere on the bottom of the mechanism. And you always unlock it using this release. Fold it over, and you start tightening everything down. It's going to pull what you have in your hand along with the slack piece, and it's going to give you a solid tightening using the ratchet strap. This is extremely handy, and it's also one of the methods that I use when determining if a handyman or a contractor who is coming in to work with me knows what he's doing, because anybody who does this all the time should know how one of these gadgets works. Stay tuned for more information on Get Handy Now. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you so much.